Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today, in our 12th installment of the U.S. Highway 11 series, we continue north, beginning at mile 136 in Clark County as we enter the town of Enterprise. We immediately see a brief concurrency with Mississippi Highway 513, which runs just for a few blocks. Concurrencies have been scarce on US 11 up to this point. The town of Enterprise was so named, quote, to denote the policy of its inhabitants. The town was founded in 1834 by John McRae, who later became the governor of Mississippi. US 11 through Enterprise and the remainder of Clark County is named Gunn Drive, likely named for a local family. Mike Gunn was elected mayor of Enterprise in December of 2022 after having served nearly 2 non-consecutive terms in the past. As of the 2020 census, Enterprise has a population of 496. As we cross the Chunky River, you can see an older alignment of US 11 to the left, with the old bridge still standing. Once we come off of the bridge, you can see the trees are cleared for a distance off of the current roadway, where US 11 originally made a much wider curve to the right. We enter Lauderdale County, named for Colonel James Lauderdale, who was killed at the Battle of New Orleans in the War of 1812. The largest city in the county is Meridian, which was an important railway intersection during the early 20th century, and we'll see a couple of trains approaching the city. Lauderdale County had a population of 72,984 as of the 2020 census. we enter the unincorporated community of Savoy, established in 1883 as a right-of-way on the New Orleans and Northeastern Railroad. On the right, you'll notice a sign pointing left to Dunn's Falls. You can see a similar sign on I-59 as you approach exit 142. Dunn's Falls is a 65-foot waterfall in the Chunky River, the tallest in Mississippi, which was once used as a power source for a grist mill. The historic Carroll Richardson Mill is open for tours. The site also features swimming and fishing as well as a nature trail. Here we enter the city of Meridian, the 7th largest city in Mississippi and the county seat of Lauderdale County. The city was founded as a major railroad junction, and you can see the tracks now owned by Norfolk Southern on the right-hand side of the road. Meridian also lies at a junction of Interstates 59 and 20 and U.S. Highways 11, 45, and 80. On the left is the Meridian Regional Airport, located at Key Field. The airport is a joint-use public military airfield, mostly used for general aviation and military traffic, but is also served by one commercial airline with scheduled passenger service subsidized by the Essential Air Service program. On the right, we can see a freight train parked on a siding, and then we begin to overtake Amtrak's Crescent, preparing to make a stop at Meridian's Union Station, with its eventual destination of New York City's Penn Station. Here, US 11 has been realigned to follow I-59 through Meridian, and although our original plan was to follow the old route through town, those plans were thwarted by Meridian's annual Mardi Gras celebration. So we'll conclude our video here at Mississippi Mile 151, which happens to fall halfway through this on-ramp. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 a month, you can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.